10th Standard Business Studies, Unit 4, Consumer Education and Protection. Dear students, you have already observed the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First one, explain the history of consumer movement. The history of consumer movement began in United States. In India, the Planning Commission backed the idea of foundation of Indian Association of Consumers in 1956. For various reasons, it was not effective. The real beginning of the movement was started in India in 1965. During that year, some women of Mumbai started a movement called AWARE. The important are the Federation of Consumer Organization, the National Consumer Protection Council, etc. These are all about the history of consumer movement. Question number 2. What are the reasons for consumer exploitation? During the past, the producers were supplying goods directly to the consumers, example milk, fruits, vegetable, etc., without any hindrance of middlemen. When agricultural occupations developed, it changed the marketing methods. The direct transaction between the producer and consumer has almost stopped. The price fixation of the goods and services was done mainly by the middlemen. It led to many hindrances. Consumers had to face various difficulties and problems. They incurred many losses. These are the reasons for consumer exploitation. Third question, what is teleshopping? The consumers, instead of going to traders, can place order for the goods which are advertised over television and other media. Through internet, SMS or telephone, consumers can place the order for the goods selected. This transaction is called teleshopping. Question number 4. In the history of World Consumers Movement, March 15, 1962 is an important day. Why? On March 15, 1962, the President John F. Kennedy gave the American consumer 4 basic rights: the right to safety, the right to choose, the right to information, and the right to be heard. That's why in the history of World Consumers Movement, March 15, 1962 is an important day. Question number 5. March 15th of every year is celebrated as the World Consumers Day. Why? On March 15, 1962, the President John F. Kennedy gave the American consumer 4 basic rights: the right to safety, the right to choose, the right to information, and the right to be heard. For this reason, March 15th of every year is celebrated as the World Consumers Day. Sixth one, what are the rights of the consumer? The rights of the consumer are the right to protect against the marketing of goods which are hazardous to life and property of the consumers, right to information, right to choice, right to be heard. right to seek redressal against the unfair trade practices, right to consumer education, right to stop exploitation, right to healthy environment. These are the rights of the consumer.